So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the DoorDash unable to verify identity problem. So first of all, you'll need to download the Dasher app from the App Store or the Google Play Store, open it up, and on here you can just click the option Let's Dash. After that, you will see and you can log in through your email and password or your phone number. After that, you will see the ID process so you can scan the ID, and through the Dasher ID verification, so you can use and upload a valid government ID, take a selfie to match the picture on the ID. So a couple of things: make sure your camera is clean, it isn't fuzzy, and make sure that you take a picture that is not covering up maybe a part of the face, maybe you're in the bad lighting so you can't be seen entirely, so DoorDash is having some problems with identifying it's you. So don't even cover any part of the ID, since that's going to be a problem, so they can't scan it. So maybe you're holding it up and your fingers are showing. Don't do that. Place it on a hard surface and then take a picture. If ID continues to fail, try another ID if you have it, like a driver's license or passport or something of that sort. So maybe the ID is the problem and you can just choose a different form of ID. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.